I saw a few people were making videos about how they were not happy with the Charlotte Tilbury blush wand things and how there wasn't a lot of product in them and they were really expensive, so I'm going to show you how to make your own. You can do this at home, of course, just take whatever you already have. So I'm using the Clinique Hefty Highlight. I really like this one because it's mega bright. And then I'm using my everyday blush. This is Bobbi Brown Pot Rouge for lips and cheeks in pale pink. I'm going to put them both on the back of my hand and mix them together. This is what it mixes out to. Now I can use less blush and more highlight or vice versa, whatever it is that I want to go for that day. And what I love about doing this with my blush is that I am in control. I can create a custom color that nobody has. I can create something that's extra shiny. It just depends. It depends on what I want. And every single time I can come up with something new and different. So now I'm not spending money on new products and I'm actually using up my old products that I have.